We wouldn't expect to see the Samsung Galaxy S24 until early next year, but rumors are already popping up for the future flagship phone, which has a high bar to clear thanks to its predecessor. The Samsung Galaxy S23 series, which includes the Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra, not only features some of the best Samsung phones, but also the best Android phones and best phones overall that we've tested. Still, the Galaxy S24 sounds like it'll improve on these already capable handsets with enhanced performance, better camera hardware, and more. In all likelihood, the Galaxy S24 series will arrive in January or February of 2024 at a Galaxy Unpacked event. The Galaxy S23 launched on February 1, and a new rumor from @tech_reeve claims that Samsung may bring the release forward by around a month in response to the iPhone 15. That would mean an early January launch event. It may share the stage with other new Samsung gizmos, like how the Galaxy S23 arrived with the Galaxy Book 3 series this year, but we'd imagine the event would still be focused primarily on the new phones. Pricing is still a mystery, but we'd expect Samsung to keep the phones at their current $799, $999, and $1,199 price points. We hope for this in particular for the UK and Australian markets, since the Galaxy S23 was slightly more expensive than the Galaxy S22 at £849/£1,049/£1,249 and AU $1,000. We're presuming Samsung will keep its three-part Galaxy S lineup intact with the Galaxy S24. That would mean the new range would probably consist of a 6.1-inch standard model, a 6.6-inch Galaxy S24 Plus, and a 6.8-inch Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's possible, however, that the Galaxy S24 Plus will be a touch larger. A 0.05-inch increase may not sound like much, but it could have a big impact on other features too, since a larger display likely means a larger body too. Leaker Tech_reeve claims that the S24 and S24 Plus will keep the same design as their S23 counterparts, but Samsung has been tweaking the design of its phones slightly each year, which means they may not be identical. What's more, the same source claiming the Galaxy S23 Plus will have a larger screen also thinks the Galaxy S24 Ultra, or possibly all models, could feature titanium sides, echoing a possible iPhone 15 Pro Max rumor. We're not sure how the design might evolve for the Galaxy S24 series, but we still likely see curved corners and flat sides on the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra keeping the spirit of the Galaxy Note alive with curved edges and right-angled corners, plus alleged titanium side rails on at least the Ultra model, if not all versions. The Galaxy S24 Plus could also get a bump to a QHD resolution, rather than the Galaxy S23 Plus FHD resolution. That should make the difference between the Galaxy S24 Plus and the basic Galaxy S24 larger, but the one between the S24 Plus and the Galaxy S24 Ultra considerably smaller. There aren't many changes rumored for the standard Galaxy S24 model's cameras yet. The one big rumor that has emerged, though, claims that we'll see the same 50MP cameras from the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus on the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. We'd expect the remaining 12MP ultrawide/10MP 3x telephoto/12MP selfie sensors from the S23 models to appear on the equivalent S24 models too. And in fact, we've more recently heard that the 12MP selfie camera is indeed sticking around. We should apparently expect no change from the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 200MP main either, and likely none to the 12MP ultrawide or 12MP selfie cameras. However, one rumor claims the Ultra's camera sensor will be 1 inch in size, which would make it one of the largest on the market, and larger than the sensor rumored to be coming to iPhone 15 Pro Max. The S24 Ultra's telephoto cameras could gain enhanced abilities thanks to a longer zoom, improved optics, a larger sensor, and a wider aperture for brighter images, says leaker Argyclavis. That could result in a maximum zoom of up to 150x, currently 100x on the Ultra, and more impressively variable zoom. Not surprisingly, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is tipped to use a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, and we can guess that chipset will also find its way into other Galaxy S24 models, as Samsung tends to keep all its flagship phones on the same chips. But more recently, we've heard that Samsung could offer the latest Snapdragon silicon in the Ultra model worldwide, but switch between that and an Exynos 2400 chip for the S24 and S24 Plus depending on the region you're buying the phone in. It's not clear if the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will be used in all Galaxy S24 models as some people believe. Separate reports suggest that Samsung is considering a return to Exynos chipsets for at least some Galaxy S24 models. It's unclear what regions would get which chipset, although it's suggested it could be Europe, as used to be the case. We've been hearing a few rumors about the Galaxy S24 Ultra and S24 Plus battery, particularly in terms of a brand new design. Samsung will reportedly use a stacked battery in both phones, which will offer better energy density without increasing in size. According to one report, Samsung could boost its energy density by up to 10%. We haven't heard anything about the Galaxy S24, but it stands to reason that we may see the same 3900 mAh battery for another generation. Whether the charging speed on the S24 and S24 Plus will increase from their current 25 GW and 45 GW speeds is still to be revealed. However, it would be really nice to see faster charging across the board, especially since the iPhone 15 series is finally tipped to offer USB-C. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.